We all know how addicting watching the Rosa de Guadalupe can be, and after watching it all day, you realize your viejo is going to be home in 15 minutes, and if you haven't done any housework, he's going to be a little mad. So, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a day's worth of housework in just 15 minutes. The items you will need for today's trickery are 1. Your sister's favorite shirt. 2. Fabuloso in a spray bottle. And 3. Your favorite car freshener. Has your sister ever borrowed one of your shirts and never returned it? So in return you borrowed one of her shirts? Well, today I'm going to show you how to use it as the perfect revenge because it doesn't exactly fit you. So what you're going to need is the Fabuloso and your sister's shirt. You're just going to put Fabuloso like as if it was a rag. Just dump it. And then you're going to wipe down the whole house with it. Wash away your sins. And another way to use Fabuloso is to put it in a spray bottle and spray it all over the house. You don't need to mop, it just needs to smell like you mopped. And as an added bonus, go ahead and put car fresheners all around the house in places he won't see, but he sure will smell it. The hardest part of sweeping is getting all the trash into the dustbin. So instead, my tip is to just sweep everything under the rug, just like you do your feelings. And done. And don't forget to look arreglada for when he gets home. That way he can't call you una huevona, hija de su floja madre. I won't tell if you don't.